In this session of Python, we're going to look at how we can use the time function. Now, to access the time module, we need to import time. So we just use the words import time at the top of our program. So we're going to start a new project by going File, New, a new Python file. I'm using PyCharm, and you'll be able to download this from JetBrains from the internet. I'm just going to call this project time and click on OK. Now that I'm in here, the first thing I'm going to do is go import and then time. So this is how we import the time module. Now once we've done that, we can actually print the time and ctime. This is a C library function that helps us represent time as a string. So we're going to print ctime. And we'll run this program by right mouse clicking and then running time. Now you notice down the bottom here, it's actually got the date and the time from my CPU clock. So that's how we can import time. It has the weekday, the month in letters, the day of the month. It then has hours, minutes, seconds, and then the year. So if we use the function time.time, the function returns a number of seconds since epoch. Epoch is defined as the start of January the 1st, 1970 UTC, and epoch is defined in terms of UTC and established as the global moment in time. No matter where you are in seconds past epoch, so time.time bracket bracket returns the same value at the same moment. So let's put that into practice and go time.time bracket bracket. Print bracket time.time bracket bracket. Let's run this program. And you can see the number below. So this is our epoch time or UTC time. And we can apply mathematical calculations to convert that into day, month, year, etc. Now one of the main features that we use time for is to actually slow our program down so we can actually get it to sleep. This will put a pause in our application. So the user's not rushed to make answers, or if they get heavy with the enter, 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 we can actually stop and make them read. So if we want to make them wait for 5 seconds, we'll use a time.sleep 5. So if I go print, starting the app, and tell it to wait for 5 seconds, I'll go time.sleep bracket 5. So this is 5 seconds. And then print awake after 5 seconds. If I want to do it for milliseconds, then I use point of a second. So I can actually go time.sleep 0.3, and it just puts a slight pause in your application to force the user to read the screen or force the user to contemplate before moving forward. This stops them from quickly pressing the return key all the time. So let's have a look at this. So if I wanted to, I could actually put a pause between the current date time and the epoch time. So I'm going to place in here time.sleep and then the number of seconds. So I could actually say 3 seconds. So let's run the program now. 1, 2, 3. Then the epoch time comes up. So that's how we can use sleep to slow down our application and make the user read what is happening on screen. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, and all the best with your future programming.